Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best fertilizer for blueberries that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have a Spoma organic fruit and berry food. A Spoma's fruit and berry food contains 4 pounds of all-natural fertilizer as well as key ingredients such as feather meal, poultry manure, bone meal, alfalfa meal, sulfate of potash, sulfate of magnesia, and elemental sulfur. The NPK ratio is 4:3:4, and the formula also contains 3% calcium, 1% magnesium, and 5% sulfur to satisfy the plant's nutritional needs. The nitrogen in the formula is further broken down into water-soluble and water-insoluble ingredients so that the plants receive an instant dose of nutrients while the slow-release formula works over time. Moving on at number 4, we have Eco Scraps for organic gardening berry plant food. Eco-friendly choices often come with a high price tag, but this affordable fertilizer from Eco Scraps is formulated from recycled scraps destined for the landfill. They've been reformulated into a high-quality fertilizer that's specially crafted for berries, providing the ideal balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for berries. Every particle of fertilizer contains a 4:5:4 NPK ratio, ensuring balanced fertilization. This pick is ideal for organic gardeners who are looking to make sustainable choices when purchasing fertilizer for their blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. To use, sprinkle 1/4 cup of fertilizer on the soil of an established plant and water it thoroughly. At number 3, we have Down to Earth AllNatural Acid Mix Fertilizer. Down to Earth's AllNatural Acid Mix Fertilizer contains cottonseed meal, fishbone meal, kelp meal, and humic acids, all of which provide nutrients while keeping pH levels low. It's high in nitrogen, which helps roots grow, and potassium to help with fruit production. This fertilizer comes in a 5-pound bag, but a smaller 1-pound bag is also available for those who want to test it before committing to a larger quantity. While it's perfect for blueberries, it's also suitable for other acid-loving plants, including rhododendrons, azaleas, camellias, hydrangeas, evergreens, raspberries, strawberries, and potatoes. Down to Earth recommends using this fertilizer 3 times per year, in early spring, when the first blooms appear, and in the fall after harvest. At number 2, we have MiracleGro Water-Soluble Miracid Plant Food. For plants that need an instant dose of fertilization, inorganic formulas are the best choice since they start delivering nutrition as soon as they're applied. They also tend to offer much higher macronutrient percentages. This formula from MiracleGro, designed specifically for acid-loving plants like blueberries, features 30% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. It's a water-soluble granular formula, so it acts quickly to deliver nutrients almost instantaneously. Simply add 1 tablespoon of the fertilizer to a gallon of water and apply it to the soil for a quick dose of both macronutrients and micronutrients. And finally at number 1. Jobe's Additive Soil Acidifier. Although Jobe's Soil Acidifier may not deliver any key macronutrients and isn't a traditional fertilizer, it may be a good choice. It can work in tandem with a typical fertilizer to ensure the blueberry plant's soil remains at the correct pH level throughout the season. The formula is completely organic, and it consists primarily of elemental sulfur and gypsum. To use on established plants, use 1½ cups of the acidifier for each foot of branch spread and rake it into the top layer of soil. This product works just as well for hydrangeas as it does for blueberries. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.